Okay, after you have completed the Lego car assembly, now I will show you how we can do the exploded view. So here we have a features we call it exploded view. Okay, when you click exploded view, so okay, for this one is what component you're going to remove. Okay, first, okay, you can press on Control key, so you're able to select more than one component. Okay, you will see here, it will show you axis here, so at which direction you can remove your component. Okay, in this case here, I will select these 4 components, then I will pull it outward, even more. Okay, so for the distance here, this one you just need to determine by yourself. Okay, in this case here, can you see the part here? Need to click done. Okay, after you click done, it will show you here you have exploded step 1. Step 1, I remove these 4 components. Okay, so step 2, maybe I select these 2 components. I further remove this component. This is my step 2, so you will see it will appear here, you have a step 2. Okay, then I click done. So when you click done, add a step here, it will become exploded step 3. So step 3, I will show how we remove this steering wheel. So select this steering wheel. Okay, the direction that you select, make sure is perpendicular with the shaft here. Okay, you can see here, if you move at X direction, you will see what happens. It like overlap with the part. So in this case here, it's not logic. So your step 3, I will delete. So how are we going to create a step 3? Okay, from here, can you see this one? This one is to determine the perpendicular directions. So I will click this. I will select this face here. So the arrow, it will perpendicular to this face. So the arrow that I move, you can see, this is the correct way how I remove the steering wheel. Is it? Okay, then I will press done. So next step, I will remove the base here. Okay, remember to press done. Don't press confirm. If you accidentally press confirm before you complete this, you will find out it like hangs somewhere. Okay, you can go to configuration managers. Under here, you will expand. You will see you have exploded view 1. Okay, from here you can edit features, so you can continue to your exploded view. Okay, from here I will remove the view together with the tires. Remember to press Control key on the keyboard so you can remove. Okay, then remember to press done. Okay, this part here, select the tire, select the view, and then I will remove it. Okay, done. So next step, remove the view. Remove the tire. Done. Okay. Okay, now your exploded view is complete. This is your exploded view. Okay, you can run the exploded animation. You can go here. Animate collapse. Collapse means the assembly animation, you will see. When you click exploded view, under here, when you run the animation, it will come out the animation controller. From here, you can save your animation for exploded or collapse view in AVI file. You can save the format here, save into video format. Okay, then you can show like exploded view, collapse view, and you can animate it. Okay, then you can show the animation for collapse. Okay, so this is how you create the exploded view.